Hello and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and this is another vocabulary session for you guys, and we are back with another set of new words for you. Those who do not know, we share the list of the words with you, and the link is there in the description below for the words that we discuss every day in the article. The article that we have for today heads as Heckler's veto on Vijay Sethupathee's withdrawal from Muralitharan biopic 800. Now, heckler's veto, this is a political term or something that is related to politics. Now, what does heckler veto mean? It is a phrase, okay, which means the act of suppression of something by the government. Now, this is basically by government. Heckler's veto is an act wherein the government comes up to suppress or to take hold over something. किसी चीज़ को रोकती है गवर्नमेंट, उसका चार्ज लेती है, उसको सप्रेस करती है, बिकॉज वो दिख रहा होता है कि आगे जाकर उस सिचुएशन की वजह से कोई केओस हो सकता है या कुछ बुरा हो सकता है इस कंट्री में, तो उसको मद्देनजर रखते हुए when the government suppresses something, that is heckler's veto. Now, this heckler veto is on Vijay Sethupathee's withdrawal from the biopic of Muralitharan, like renowned this player Muralitharan, from the biopic that's 800. Now, why did he withdraw? What are the reasons? What is going on? We are going to have it in the article right here. So let's begin discussing. Films can be subjected to criticism after their release, but not stymied before they are made. Now, not stymied before they are made. Stymie here is used as a verb, okay? Not stymied before they are made. They said that you can criticize. People usually criticize movies and before, after their release, right? People go watch it and then the criticism comes up. But the writer says it should not be stymied before they are made. Stymie is a verb which means to oppose or to defer something. किसी चीज़ को आप पहले से ही इग्नोर करना चाहते हो, उसको अवॉइड करना चाहते हो, that is stymie, okay? So it should not be stymied before they are made. Opposition from sections of Tamils has led to versatile Tamil film actor Vijay Sethupathee withdrawing from a planned biopic on the Sri Lankan bowling legend Muthiah Muralitharan. So there are Tamils who have come up and there have been oppositions from this section of society. This is the reason why this Tamil star Vijay Sethupathee has to withdraw his name. He has to take back his name from this movie, from this biopic of this legend of the, as I said, the renowned player Muralitharan. Opponents mainly from the Tamil film industry and political parties in Tamil Nadu claim that Muralitharan had whitewashed genocide by not raising his voice against the Sri Lankan state and warned the actor against playing his character. Now I'm pausing here, I'm not going ahead. The reason is I want to explain you the reason. The reason is given here why the actor had to withdraw or take back his name. The reason is number one, that the opposition, I would say the people who are coming up with the opposing it. So the opposition coming is from two ways. Number one, Tamil film industry. Number two, the political parties in Tamil Nadu. Now, what they've said that this player or Sri Lankan player, that's Muralitharan, he whitewashed genocide. Whitewashed genocide means he ignored. Whitewash is used as a verb here. I'm going to wipe off the screen and explain it to you. So he whitewashed. So whitewash. It is a verb which means to ignore or prevent something. Neglect, या आप कह सकते किसी चीज़ को हाइड करना, टू हाइड और टू कंसील, छुपाना, ठीक है, किसी चीज़ को आप ज़्यादा ध्यान उस पर नहीं दे रहे हो. ओके, सो ही वाइट वॉज जीनोसाइड. जीनोसाइड इज, वी ऑल नो, killing of mankind. So he whitewashed genocide. Why do they think that he concealed, he did not support it? Because he did not raise his voice against the Sri Lankan state when there was a news for the Tamils in the Sri Lankan state. So he says that he did not raise his voice there and warned the actor that is Vijay Sethupathi against playing his character. If he played his character, they have warned him not to play the character, contending that he would only jeopardize his career and alienate his fan following. Jeopardize his career, put in danger. To put in danger, किसी चीज को जोखिम में डालना या मुसीबत में डालना. तो कहते कि if he participates or if he takes up this movie, then he is going to jeopardize his career, which means he is going to put his entire career in danger. Also, he is going to alienate his fan following. Alienate मतलब वो अपने fans को खुद से दूर कर देंगे. Alienate, it's a verb, to put away, okay, or to isolate. So कह रहे हैं कि वो अपने फैंस को खुद से दूर कर देंगे और आइसोलेट कर देंगे. दूर करना या अलग करना, ओके, दूर करना या अलग करना, that is alienate. So they say that he would jeopardize his career and alienate his fan following as well. So this is the reason why this Tamil actor Vijay Sethupathi, he has to take back, he had to withdraw his name. Moving ahead, it is a shame that these protests have prevented a talented actor from essaying a role based on the story of Muralitharan, who scaled Himalayan peaks in international cricket through talent and determination. कहते हैं कि ये बहुत शर्म की बात है कि इस बात की वजह से, इन प्रोटेस्ट की वजह से एक इतने अच्छे कलाकार को, इतने अच्छे एक्टर को ऐसा एक जो इम्पोर्टेंट रोल मिला था to express himself or to come up and showcase his talent, he couldn't do so, and that too for a player who scaled Himalayan peaks, which means उनका comparison किया जा रहा है कि उन्होंने क्रिकेट की दुनिया में इतना ऊंचा नाम कमाया है कि वो हिमालय की चोटी तक उतना ऊंचा उनका नाम है. ठीक है, so this is a comparison, this is figure of speech that has been used. Nothing, the unfair and unrelenting attacks. Unrelenting is an adjective. Unrelenting is an adjective. Now, noting the unfair and unrelenting attacks on Sethupathi to the point of accusing him of being a traitor, Muralitharan appealed to the actor to keep out of the biopic. So Muralitharan, he himself told the actor, he himself asked Vijay Sethupathi to keep out, to not be a part of the biopic, because Muralitharan himself felt that why would he endanger his career and life when there's some sort of chaos and some sort of indifferences that are there, and he did not want anybody to face negativity or to be harmed because of his own thing or something that is related to Muralitharan. So he didn't want that. So traitor is a noun and unrelenting is an adjective. So I'm going to give you the meaning. A traitor is गद्दार. कहते हैं ना, गद्दार किसी को, धोखेबाज, जो कि गद्दारी करता है. One who is considered a betrayer. ठीक है, किसी को धोखेबाज करार दिया गया कि जो चीटर है, जो धोखा देते हैं, वो ट्रेटर होते हैं. So unrelenting is an adjective which means something that is unyielding, something that is stiff. Like वो चीज़ ख़त्म नहीं हो रही है, वो चलती जा रही है, it's continuous. Okay, उसका कोई रिजल्ट नहीं है. So that is कोई चीज़ जो कठोर है, चलती जा रही है, उसका कोई परिणाम नहीं है, उसका कोई पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट होना ही नहीं. So Muralidharan, he himself asked Vijay to keep him out. The ultimate decision may have been Muralidharan's own, but it is quite clear that Sethupathi dropped the idea only after the onslaught. They say that the writer says that it's fine. Maybe the decision was of Mr. Muralidharan. He decided, or he suggested, or he wanted Vijay to keep out of it. But Vijay had decided or made a decision to keep himself out of this after the onslaught. Onslaught is a noun which means after the attack. So जब उनके ऊपर जो हमला हुआ या अटैक हुआ, जब लोगों का प्रोटेस्ट उन्होंने देखा, जो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, तो उन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि वो इसका हिस्सा नहीं बनेंगे. The film's motion poster released recently had evoked great expectation among cinema aficionados. जो पोस्टर रिलीज हुआ था वो बहुत अच्छे एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ लोगों के सामने आया था कि लोग बहुत एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे कि कुछ बहुत अच्छा होगा. तो सिनेमा के एफिसिनाडो इज अ नाउन वन हु इज renowned or like well knowledgeable. Okay, knowledgeable, जो कि फिल्मी दुनिया के जो माने हुए लोग हैं, जो ज्ञानी और प्रसिद्ध लोग हैं, उनकी अगर बात करें तो वो यहाँ पर बात करें सिनेमा एफिसिनाडो किसी भी चीज़ का हो सकता है. यहाँ सिनेमा एफिसिनाडो की बात करें हम, especially because of the actor's highly convincing resemblance to the cricketer. दूसरी चीज़, Vijay Sethupathi in resemblance was more or less alike of this Muralidharan. That is why people thought that he is going to portray the character really well, he is going to put it off really well. But because of these things, the chaos that is coming up, the attacks and the onslaught that's coming up, the protests that have come up, there has been a decision that he's not going to be a part of that movie anymore. Moving ahead, the writer says, appropriately named 800 in the celebration of the number of test wickets, the bewitching off-spinner band. Bewitching is the attractive. Bewitching is an adjective used here which means something that is attractive, जो आकर्षित करता है, कोई चीज़ जो मोहित करता है. Okay, so he took 800 test wickets. Can you imagine this off spinner? And the biopic was named the same, that's 800. Appears to aim at showcasing his rise in the backdrop of the violent ethnic conflict that shook Sri Lanka for 3 decades. Now, after 3 decades, ये बहुत ही न्यूज़ में हमेशा से ही रहा है ये जो violent ethnic conflict है. Okay. और तब से लेके अब तक अभी भी इस चीज़ पर इम्पैक्ट, एंड पीपल आर नॉट लेटिंग एनी तमिल एक्टर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस मूवी. सो स्पेसिफिकली विजय सेतुपति. Exponents of art being cowed down by protests. Exponents of art being cowed down. Cowed down is used as a verb here. It's a phrasal verb. What is it? It's a phrasal verb. Cowed down means to be intimidated. Like they've got afraid of it. है ना, भयभीत होना. तो जो एक्सपोनेंट्स ऑफ आर्ट मीन्स जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जो आर्ट मतलब मीडिया से, सिनेमा से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट, जो आर्टिस्ट हैं वो थोड़े से इससे डर चुके हैं बाय द प्रोटेस्ट. इज नॉट न्यू टू तमिलनाडु, इट्स नॉट न्यू, इट हैज़ बीन देयर इन तमिलनाडु. यू सी मल्टीपल प्रोटेस्ट. द रियल प्रॉब्लम इन द लेटेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पॉपुलर intolerance prevailing over artistic ventures is that an old chestnut in Tamil Nadu politics, the idea that every Tamil should pass a Tamil nationalist test, has been resurrected to stymie this project too. So it has resurrected, revived, पुनर्जीवित. तो ये चीज़ वापस से आ गई. It's a verb. Okay, resurrect is a verb which means जो नए जितने भी आर्टिस्टिक वेंचर्स होंगे, वापस से ये बात आ गई कि उनको तमिल नेशनलिस्ट का एक टेस्ट पास करना होगा। तो ये भी एक कहते हैं ना, इस प्रोजेक्ट में भी इसका पार्ट बन गया, और ये भी एक चिंता की विषय है, प्रॉब्लम है। Madras Cafe, a Hindi film, could not be screened in the state after opposition to its portrayal of the LTTE. In 2008, a Sri Lankan producer was forced to give up his footage while he was in Chennai to process his film at a studio. He was forced to give up his footage. See, the point is, Tamil, here if you talk about Tamilians, they are extremely rigid, okay? And now they have revived the Tamil nationalist test, that every individual there, if they have to be a part of any entertainment thing or any artistic ventures they want to have, they have to clear the Tamil nationalist test. So this is yet another problem that has come up, that has been revived, and people would now again face problems. And there are multiple examples given about Madras Cafe, about another Sri Lankan producer who had faced a problem there when he was filming at his studio in Chennai. So there are multiple things that are there when it comes in respect to Tamil Nadu. And the same thing is happening to this movie, that's 800, the biopic of Muralitharan. Moving ahead, the writer says, some of those who demanded that Sethupathi withdraw from the biopic have emphasized that they were merely making an appeal to him, given his past political views in favor of causes that resonate with the people of Tamil Nadu. They say that कुछ लोग जो कि सेतुपति का विड्रॉ मांग रहे थे, it was because वो सिर्फ उसको अपील कर रहे थे, ओके, वो उनको थ्रेटन नहीं करना चाहते थे, वो एक अपील थी, एक नॉर्मल अपील थी, क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो आने समय में उन्होंने भी काफ़ी मदद की है, लोगों को फेवर किया है। अगर पॉलिटिकल व्यूज़ की बात करें तो लोगों को काफ़ी हद तक उन्होंने भी फेवर किया हुआ है। Whether it was an appeal or a threat, it is a no-brainer that pressure was brought to bear on an artist to give up his professional decision. So कहते हैं ये कोई it is a no-brainer, मतलब it was of no sense, it was illogical. It was illogical कि अगर ऐसा किया गया किसी को अपना professional decision बदलना पड़े, so this is not at all acceptable. As for Muralitharan's political views, it may be that some of his remarks were seen as supporting the Sri Lankan army's triumph over the LTTE and questioning the truth behind the grief of the mothers of the disappeared thousands. So he basically, Muralitharan के जो political views रहे हैं, it may be that some of his remarks were seen as supporting Sri Lankan armies, okay, जब उन्होंने LTTE पर अपना विक्ट्री किया था और क्वेश्चन किया था उन्होंने कि जो इतने लोग मर गए उनकी मदर्स के बारे में कंसर्न एक्सप्रेस किया। However, that is no reason to run down his monumental achievements in his chosen sport. तो कहते हैं कि इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से what he has achieved so far in his professional aspect, okay, or professional front, whatever he has achieved, you cannot neglect it, you cannot put it aside, we cannot alienate that. We cannot overlook it. And nothing prevents any detractor. Detractor is the criticizer, one who criticizes, criticizes, one who criticizes. तो जो criticize करता है, जो कि कटाक्ष करता है, कटाक्ष करने वाला, okay, कटाक्ष करना। So जो कटाक्ष करते हैं उनको detractor कहते हैं। So no prevents any detractor from questioning the film's motive or content after its release. It is unfortunate that the heckler's veto has prevailed. It is unfortunate, ये बहुत ही गलत है, आप कह सकते हो, क्योंकि मूवी रिलीज होने के बाद लोग उसको क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, ऐसा हमने देखा है। बट इन दिस केस मूवी रिलीज नहीं हुआ, पहले से ही लोग उसको क्रिटिसाइज करना शुरू कर दिया और उसको रिलीज ही नहीं होने देंगे, बिकॉज उन्होंने तो जो आर्टिस्ट उसमें काम कर रहे थे उनको भी उन्होंने उससे विड्रॉ करने पर मजबूर कर दिया। So the point is that if I talk about the things that people are looking up to, like the protests, the chaos, the things that have come up these days. Like people are like they always resort to something that is violent, something that involves violence. They think that nothing could be achieved through peace. Mhm. This is one thing of concern in our society nowadays, and it has to be taken into consideration. So this was the article for today, learners. I believe that the article ends here. Yes, it ends here, and these were the words that I had to discuss with you guys today. The list is there on the side. The link is there in the description. Go below, click on the link and look at the words and start practicing them. I hope you guys are attending the crash course session for SSC CGL Tier 2, the crash course session that we are having every day at 6 p.m. for you guys. And I believe that you will not miss out on any session with us. If you do not do that, just subscribe the channel right away, and do not forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.